The Redmi A series has been hailed as one of the most popular smartphones in India. A stands for affordable here, and the Redmi 9A is the latest in the lineup. We received the 3 plus 32GB variant of the smartphone for review, and it's the nature green color. Let's quickly check out the Redmi 9A and what you get in the box. The box of the Redmi 9A is like any other Redmi smartphone. There's the image of the phone on the front and the specs written at the back. You slide it out like this and the first thing you see is the smartphone itself, wrapped in plastic. We'll set this aside for now and see what else is inside. Next is this box that holds the documents you'll need. It includes the warranty, user guide and the SIM tray remover tool. Below this is a 10-watt charger and a micro USB cable, and that's all there is in the box. Now coming back to the phone itself, the Redmi 9A is strictly entry level. There's a 6.53-inch HD display and the MediaTek Helio G25 under the hood for performance. Redmi offers the 9A in 2GB and 3GB RAM variants with 32GB of onboard storage and a dedicated micro SD card slot for expandable memory. The Redmi 9A can also run with two 4G SIM cards simultaneously. The 9A sports a single 13-megapixel camera at the back and a 5-megapixel camera on the front. The camera app offers features like portrait mode and video capture. Lastly, there's a massive 5000 mAh battery that Redmi claims can last well over a day. The smartphone is built out of plastic with micro ridges embossed on the rear panel, ensuring it doesn't attract smudges and fingerprints. You get a headphone jack at the bottom and a single bottom firing speaker for audio. So that was a quick look at the Xiaomi Redmi 9A and what you get in the box.